Hey guys, welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to use Google's Teachable machine in order to train a model on recognizing whether someone is wearing a mask or not. Because during this COVID-19 pandemic period, it's very important for us to protect not just ourselves, but in order to hold our personal responsibility to others, okay, in stopping the spread of this COVID-19 virus. Okay, so we're going to use some data that I got from Dr. Adrian's file image search. Okay, he has provided us some data on people wearing masks and people not wearing masks. Okay, so today we're going to use that data in order to train our own model. Okay, so first you go to Teachable Machine website. Okay, so this is the website, Teachable Machine with google.com. Okay, so we're going to start a new project. We're going to do an image project. Okay, so over here we're going to name two classes. First class will be those wearing face masks, so face mask on. And the second class is I'm going to do is no face mask. Okay, so this will be an alert. Okay, no face mask alert. Okay, so now I am going to upload my data first. So, okay, I'm going to choose the image. So I already have Dr. Adrian's data. So this is without mask. So I'm going to change to those with mask. So he has an extensive collection of data that he has created. So I'm going to choose all of them and I'm going to open. Okay, these are all with the face mask on. So you can see it has extensive amount of samples. There's about 600 over samples. The more samples you have for your data collection for training, the more accurate your model will be. So now I'm going to upload those with no face mask. Okay. Okay, so there we have it. We have two samples. Both are about 700 image samples each. So now we're going to train our model. Okay, so I'm just going to leave all as the default. So now I'm going to train my model. So let's just wait for a while the model is being trained. So the amount of data. Okay, so now it's been recorded already. So now we are going to switch on the input. So I'm going to switch on my webcam. Let me first test with some files. Okay. Let me choose one without mask first. Let's see whether it's okay. Okay, so they can see that the no face mask alert is okay. Alright, so let's test now with a mask. Okay, that looks good. So now I'm going to choose one with test data. Okay, for the data set. Okay, so I have examples here. Okay, no mask. Okay, let's choose one which is not in the data set itself. Oh, see, there's one error because we have two diagrams here. So in a picture when there's more than one person, how do you tell, right? So there's something that we need to consider when we are recording. So over here as well, so there's some error here, you can see. This is face mask on, but it's not detecting. So something we need to consider when we are retraining our model later on. So let's turn on our webcam now, and I'm going to switch my webcam. Okay, so I'm going to switch my webcam to user facing. It's me. Okay, let me go and try with the mask on. It seems to be better. Okay, so see now without my mask. Let me test now with my mask. Okay, I'll be able to detect quite well. Alright, no mask. Got mask. So, of course, we need to test with more people and more around whether they will be able to detect. Okay, so now the test is whether what happens if there's more than one person in the picture. Okay, do they detect me, or do they detect someone with no face mask? Okay, so now we need to consider about what happens if there's more than one person in the picture. Alright, so we'll try to go on to that the next time. Alright.